It's April 14th, 1912. You're 3 days into the crossing, and everyone on board already knows the phrase, because the newspapers printed it before you even boarded. Practically unsinkable. 16 watertight compartments. The safest ship ever built. You heard a crew member say it so casually it stopped sounding like a claim and started sounding like a fact. Just after 11:40 at night, you feel it. A shudder, more than a bang. Like the ship scraped against something and kept going. You go up to see what happened. Chunks of ice are scattered across the deck. A few people are laughing, picking pieces up, joking about a souvenir from an iceberg. Nobody's alarmed. Why would they be? This ship doesn't sink. An officer walks past and someone asks if it's serious. He says it's nothing to worry about. You believe him because believing him is easier and because everything around you agrees with him. You go back down to your cabin. 20 minutes pass. Someone mentions the ship feels like it's tilting slightly. You tell them they're imagining it. The lifeboats start getting uncovered on deck. Even now, this doesn't read as an emergency to you. It reads as a precaution, a drill maybe. Nobody's running, the band is still playing. You watch the first lifeboat lowered with more empty seats than passengers in it. People are refusing to get in, not out of heroism, out of certainty. They'd rather stay on the huge, solid, famous ship than climb into a small wooden boat bobbing on the freezing Atlantic. The ship feels safe. The lifeboat doesn't. You feel that same certainty in yourself. This ship has made this crossing before. Ships like this don't go down. You've read about it. Everyone on this deck has read about it. By the time the tilt becomes something you can't rationalize away, the angle of the deck under your feet. Undeniable, the lifeboats are already half gone. The band is still playing. You get into one near the end, and even as it's lowered, some part of you still expects the ship to right itself, to prove everyone's fear wrong. It doesn't. Over 1,500 people don't make it off that night. Many of them had the same chance you did earlier when the boats were still full of empty seats. Here's what actually happened to you, psychologically, in those first crucial minutes. It's called normalcy bias, and it's the tendency to underestimate both the likelihood and the severity of a disaster, because nothing like it has ever happened to you before. Your brain doesn't calculate the odds in the moment. It looks around at how everyone else is reacting, sees no one panicking, and concludes there's nothing to panic about. The size and reputation of the ship didn't just fail to protect you. It became the reason you waited as long as you did. If you've ever ignored a warning because a part of you was sure it couldn't happen to you, subscribe. This channel exists for exactly that feeling.